Welcome back to another video, and yes, today we are finally getting a video done on my 03 Cummins. Today we are going to be installing the CJC off-road intermediate shaft bushings. Let me show you one problem though I ran into when I was looking for this bushing. So as we come to the driver's side where everybody else's intermediate shaft bushing is, let's get some light up here. What do you notice about this? There's the middle shaft that comes down, and then we have that right there that goes to the firewall. No intermediate shaft bushing in here. As I'm looking for that intermediate shaft bushing, since it's not under my steering column, I start looking in the engine compartment. And let me know down in the comments if you guys have found this on your Dodge. All right, let me see if I can get this to focus. All right, you see right there where the light is? Let me see if I can get it to focus a little better. There we go. My intermediate shaft bushing is in the in the engine compartment. Coming down from the drive shaft from the wall, right about in the middle before it meets my redhead steering box. So I've already got one of them in. It wasn't too hard, but I did have to loosen up that bolt right there to get a little more play in it so that I could hammer that bushing in, because from where it sits, it was actually cockeyed a little bit, I guess from the angle and the pressure of the steering arm. So I had to get a pretty good hammer to get some hits on that because my small hammer was not doing it. But I got that one in, so now we're gonna do the second side. And get a good angle here. I don't know if that's gonna happen. All right, so we've got it placed. I actually ended up putting some blue Loctite. I didn't have any red, so I just used blue. I figured it's something better than nothing. And let's get my hammer down here. This one shouldn't be as hard because I've already got the other side in. That went ahead and it pretty much centered up that piece. Now what everybody else is recommending is that we get a clamp and put it on there, so that's what we're gonna see if we have one. All right, we've got our C-clamp, band clamp, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna get it around there and tighten that sucker up, and we should be good, and we'll take it for a test drive. So as you can see, we've got the spacers in, we got the clamp for extra security. Everything's good. Now we're gonna take it for a test drive, see how it rides.